Our platform offers an easy-to-use feature that allows event organizers to create exhibitor accounts and grant permission for access to our on-site registration platform for admission check-in and tracking. Setting up an exhibitor account is a breeze with EventNook. The organizer will create an account for the exhibitor. Once the account is created, exhibitors can easily log in using their unique username and password to access our lead check-in app. With the lead check-in app, exhibitors can quickly and efficiently check in attendees and track their leads in real time. This feature is designed to make the entire process smoother and more streamlined for both organizers and exhibitors alike. To check in an attendee, simply click on the Scan button and scan their ticket. You can also add notes to each attendee as needed to keep track of any special instructions or requirements. To view the list of attendees and manage their information, click on View Contact. This will bring up a searchable list of attendees where you can easily find and edit attendee information. You can search by name or email in the search field to quickly locate the attendee you need and swipe left to easily add notes to attendees as well. After the organizer send booth information email to exhibitor, the email will be looked like this, and it includes their email, ID, password and link for export to Excel to download the report. This feature simplifies the check-in process for both organizers and exhibitors, making it more efficient and streamlined. Thank you for using EventNook.